Story: The Three Wishes. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter and his wife, who lived in a small village. They were very happy together, but they were also very poor. One day, while the woodcutter was chopping wood in the forest, he came across a fairy. The fairy was impressed by the woodcutter's kindness and generosity, so she offered him 3 wishes. The woodcutter was overjoyed. He immediately thought of all the things he could wish for. He could wish for a big house, a fine carriage, and a lot of money. He could wish for fame and fortune. He could even wish for the power to rule the world. But the woodcutter was a wise man. He knew that it was important to be careful what you wished for. He did not want to make a wish that he would later regret. So he decided to take some time to think about it. The woodcutter went home and told his wife about the fairy's offer. His wife was also overjoyed. She immediately started making a list of all the things she wished for. She wanted a beautiful dress, a diamond necklace, and a new house. She also wanted to travel the world and meet famous people. The woodcutter listened to his wife's wishes, but he did not say anything. He knew that she was just excited, and he did not want to ruin her happiness. But he also knew that she needed to be careful what she wished for. The next day, the woodcutter went back to the forest to see the fairy. He told her that he had thought about his wishes, and he had decided to make 3 very simple wishes. His first wish was for good health for himself and his wife. His second wish was for happiness for themselves and their children. And his third wish was for a long and prosperous life. The fairy smiled and granted the woodcutter's wishes. The moral of the story is that it is important to be thoughtful and careful when making wishes. It is also important to remember that true happiness comes from within, and it cannot be bought with money or power.